So where are you putting your money right now, then, for somebody who likes to play in tech land?
Yeah. So look, we like I can go through some specific names if you want, but more in general, like we like names where if there is a recession, and who knows if there will be, and if you ask 10 macro pundits, you'll probably get 15 answers. We like software names that with companies will do more with less, and enable them to save money, be more efficient. So it's companies like Elasticsearch, which is a developer's tool business, and like an open source version of Datadog, which is another great business, but it's just a cheaper way to use Datadog. Lots of types of businesses like that. A lot of vertical market software businesses, things like that.
We've got some of your portfolio on the screen right now. Where do you stand on Uber at $30?
We haven't been involved for a while. That being said, I do think Dara and Nelson and the entire team at Uber are doing a good job. And I think if you compare the like operating performance versus a Lyft, they've done substantially better. Look, they're challenged too. Getting drivers right now in this world is absolutely impossible. It will be interesting as the labor market, loosens a bit, what happens for them. But I think that we don't own the stock, but I do think that they've executed. It's a tough business, ride sharing. I do think that they still face tough COVID comps as it relates to like Uber Eats. And I think the whole delivery business around food, whether you're talking DoorDash, Uber, or a whole host of other companies, remains to be seen how profitable it will be. But like, I think Dara and team have proven that the Uber ride-sharing business is a real business.
We had a big debate earlier in the broadcast about Apple. Warren Buffett doubling down, adding to that position. We're going to be hearing from Apple, we believe, at least rumored, on the 7th of September with its new phones and the like. There's talk of new advertising products and more ads within the apps. And then, of course, down the line, AR, VR, cars, more healthcare stuff. I don't know whether you want to bet on any of it.
We're not involved. Look, we tend to focus on sub $10 billion market cap software and internet companies. Look, it's an incredible business, no different than like Microsoft is. It prints cash. It's a subscription business. I'm sure you and Becky both have iPhones. I have an iPhone. I'm sure when they release the new one, you'll go get it as well. Look, I don't pay attention closely to the company, but like if I have no idea how their China business is doing right now, which I'm sure is in the fourth quarter. But it's an incredible company that's transitioned from a pure hardware business over the last 15 years into a subscription recurring business. So.